Hi, day 3 of the clutch install. It's June 7th. Pretty hot out. It's not even noon yet, and it's over 80 degrees, which for Minneapolis, big deal. But small thing today is get the flywheel off. Okay, I can see pilot bearing that's in the end of the crankshaft and the end of the engine is the wrong one. And I think that's probably due to me installing that thing many years ago in 1978 when I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So we're going to take that out. Take this flex plate off and clean it up. Actually, I should try to do that right now if possible. Well, maybe not impossible. Maybe not possible. Oh, yeah, that'll come out that way. Ooh, tight fit, but there we go. All right. All right. Yeah, a little bit of heat check in here. A little bit of heat check over here. Some grooves. This should clean up really nice. All right, so there's the old friction disc. It's not even old, actually. It's only got a few miles on it. Okay, so here's the old pressure plate. All right, so the dowels fit right there between a couple different sets. So that's the old style. So now we need to see what the new one looks like. And the old one, as you can see, it's pretty polished up. And it's got heat checks here and here. Now, admittedly, this was you can see it's hot right there, right there. I cleaned that all up not long ago, but it's got to be tired. That thing has been on the car since the day it was born. I got a lot of miles out of it, and I did abuse it a little bit. So in this package, it looks like I got a pilot bearing, and it looks like a throw-out bearing in there too. It'd be really nice if there was some bolts Ooh. Wow. That's a thing of beauty. Oh, they even got a alignment tool. Looks like I got dowels. Whoops. I want to be careful I don't lose these parts. Okay. Okay, I got 3 dowels. Hopefully that's what I should get. All right. Oh, look at this. What do I got here? I got a friction plate too. Wow. Sweet. I wasn't expecting that. Now to find a machinist. Thanks. The next videos will probably be the reinstallation, which is always a joy. Thank you.